think they assumed and made one person last longer than one person because I'm bad at people, normal people bad at assuming things. They are not pros. And, definitely, they don't have much science knowledge. The science is hard. Yeah, probably like 90% of the people, and that's that. And knowledge-wise, that's today time. More, there's more coming from more. There's more. What's more? More is the more. That's more. There's more. On top of this, there's top in bypass with Narayana man, multi-stage. I don't know Chaitanya, but I don't know multi-stage. See Chaitanya, that many words, not good. Like most of the top things are a little weird, so just like Mark, not Mark Zuckerberg. It is Mark Zuckerberg. So it's about knowledge, not the word. It's Obama, and it's not Zuckerberg. It's Mark Zuckerberg. I guess so. And there's Chaitanya, but I don't know which Chaitanya. There's no house name, the third name, right? Last name. That's IIT, blah, C120, CIPL. But there's AC, man. Look at the windows. Everything for AC, no. Without books, not AC. That's why Narayana, even without AC, it's great. It's not because it lacks something than Sri Chaitanya, but it's because it doesn't have a AC, right? Yeah, a quick thing because it's AC. Yeah, because I know Narayana, man. I didn't search much, but Narayana multi-state big. It's Tenali guy, my Telugu guy. That's surprising. And I don't think phones are allowed because free publicity, right? I'm going in with my keychain. It will be very cloudy. No man, too much late. It's already late. Yeah. But I know perfect road because it's a known landmark. Not known like that Tahsildar house road. It is some road, some known, half known because I know it here and I cycle to it. And I know half the way. I know surroundings of that, but I don't know from where I came from. But I know the road. And I know Mumbai, but not the way. Still half know. I know the place, but not the way to it. And keep cycling. Off balance will throw my phone away. That's all science to think about. All injuries come from. Keep growing. I don't know which way. There's that way. I see happy first. Ow. Come on. Ow. First and hit to the above ball joint, down palm, down of the foot, and that spiky thing, man. That's under the seat always. Pokes me. No, like more like penetrates me. Like that's what it is. Stamp. That's what they call with stabs me. No, big poke, pins, needle, injector the needle, inject me, poke, bullet, press, like injector, stab with needle. Yeah, that's not like she stabbed me. And what's it? That's more quick. Her shizzler, that's quick and more dark knowledge. And raw is that dominant. She stabbed me. She's the blood. She's the blood. There's so much from where that's coming from. And people. My world is a big place. Supernatural can be real, even beyond supernatural, like aliens, man. Aliens are not covered in supernatural. That's even more. That's yeah, but that's all God's creation, right? Everything from nothing. Of course, God would have created even more. Like God is on another earth watching over Jesus. God is not human. God might have deaf, might have come. God created other things. God might have created aliens, or they are all humans. I guess. But God's everything, man. It's like the top. God's the top. Yeah, God's the top. Top one place claimed by God. He's there, man. I want to see him. To cross the named solar system and land on the next inhabitable planet. Then, from that book, from their Bible, there got to be aliens or some, and there's that. Now I can go because I see that on my left arriving, and I was right for sure. This is the way to go, right? Yes. I go from the opposite of more happy and talk about it. So top one is God. To meet him, I had to go to next in half to planet. He might be there, he might not be there, but there is Bible. He left. Of course, he told Luke to write priority chapters. Yeah, and there's humans. What is that? These words and knowledge I go this and of course, man, and the quicker to go, man. Next inhabitable planet, there can be something closer because it's all not that much vision though. Most vision is making a step on that planet. Yeah, freak man. They talk about a lifetime, but there's another damn planet livable. Man, Indians, man, they are so ignoring that. There's another damn planet next to it. Of course, with more knowledge, the time can be closer to reach there. Man, Star Wars is real, definitely. From the possibilities there's a damn another inhabited planet, man. Wow, huh? That's a lengthy, but true. Of course, there's God and His own Bible. Written with blood. They might use blood, I think. There is the same God, of course, the same God of all things. And there will be other fake things. Not all can be true. It's like they point out. Yeah, man, growth, that's growth. That's growth. I don't know where I am. That's so much flat land. Cozy, little, and not cozy. That's a cross. Reaches both ends and another end. Reaches covers 3 circles, like half square. That rhombus cut vertically. Reaches 3 points, and no one I saw, I guess. And what am I going, man? Where am I going? I don't know, man. It's still there. I don't know. Come on, what is this? There's that light thing going on. Made me something, man. Where is it? Those roads lead to me nothing. Just like the dog might be walking, and there's a speed breaker, not in different color. There's this and there's that, and that's a little purple, like seeing a rainbow cloud. That's all in Narayana, and seeing pink sky. Man, science, of course. Science. Oh, great. But life knowledge, like the importance of everything. Yeah, there's that. So yeah, there's this more known that might be another church, but they and all times they already built that, huh? That's a known background. Another known background. That means 100% under it. It's under it. That's like our example is like a cap, and under it there's whole water, like bottle of knowledge, a bottle of marbles, something a jar of pickles. That's actually humans are. They are not white, like specifically 100%. They are not white. They are only 80% white. And skin color, right? They can be big, like Kelly, like newborn babies, pig. No, that's a pure blood, I guess. Pure, not even a trace of black, brown up, specific skin tone. Yeah, because white plus a little brown is skin, right? Yeah, white plus brown doesn't become brown because there's white against it. Brown with white doesn't become a white either because it's not normal. Because it's not normal. That's a close up on the left, top left, middle of north and northwest. Middle of north and northwest. Yeah, I'm good. And there's that, and blizzard, blizzard. Come on, right? And of course, it's all audible in there. Mic can take everything, man, because sound can travel through walls, travel through balloons, walls, everything. It sounds waves, right? Just like flash, not a Garrick, some flash like in Flash movie. He's smart, man. Time travel, just like there, running too quick. And of course, he will be rebooted. Nice concept. Time, past mistakes, correcting. And the saying, past doesn't matter, the knowledge through it matters. That's the replicate you and put that in that place. You still have to grow, right? Like those guys with time machine, they don't include that at all. Oh, there's that me roasting like people cycling, huh? It is close to everything, man. The 1% still goes. Samsung big battery. Second one is close to mic, of course. Blah coming in, blah blah, because there's the tractor, blah blah coming in. I don't know who it is. I don't mind, right? There's no junior that I know of. I will see though. That looks like Mahita, man. Probably right, not enough to big. Nah, definitely changes this uniform. Yes, though. Or not. For sure, doesn't mind how. Yes, because my seniors are not the same color as me. So that's Mahita, definitely, man. There's this. Yeah, winter fire, and there's that. Of course, it's possible because it's still the same angle. There's that. Yeah, if I'm under 8 o'clock, that's great. Just like under 50 rank, and that's great too. Like under the max seats, right? First class. Well, there's multiple classes, right? University is that big. That's thing so hard and so optional and so near wastable for the greatness, and that's that. Auntie, బాగున్నారా ఆంటీ? ఓనే తొక్కున్నాను. That's that. My name, Abo, AP07, still December 1. And left leg, training the left leg. Mid is better. Close to the 20 minutes. Yeah, man. Miss the route. That's the thing. Then I let to place some fun outside. And this me, man. Their stand, so I don't have to. And there's me. Yeah, keep growing. Light and dark and light, dark and light. That's so important. It is 2 times. This times that. Oh, times this. What's that? This. Left finger up. Yeah, this. And keep growing, light and dark. And that's that.